Supersize your business of your own free will. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom or expression today is of your own free will. Now, this idiom's been around a long time, as long as human beings have exercised their preferences or been in touch with what they feel passionately about, or how much they actually believe in something. It, of course, means that you do something because you want to do it, because it's important to you, not because someone else tells you to or forces you to do it or coerces you or manipulates you into doing something. So how does this show up as we grow and build and suppress our business? Number one, we can choose to start our own business if we want to, right? We have the freedom, at least here in the United States, to create our own business, create our own life in many, many ways. We have a lot of freedoms that aren't available in other parts of the world. And that means we get to decide without other people making us or telling us, although sometimes it feels like we have to do what other people think we should, especially when we're young. But we can decide what we want to create in this world, what type of business we want to create in this world. And that's what this segment and this group is all about, is helping one another to grow and build and supersize the businesses that we want to see in the world, the things that we're passionate about, the things that we want to see created and in the world to make the world a better place. And if you're not, you probably don't believe those things, and you're probably not in this group, or you'll listen here and there, but probably not very often, because the things we talk about won't resonate with you. You won't be able to relate to them, and you have the own free will to not listen, not participate, not show up, and to do whatever you want. Now, I thought it was interesting. I did some research on free will, and only 59% of the population, according to one scientific study, and I'm sure there have been more, believe that they have free will, that they have the ability to control their lives. And I suspect the percentage of people that listen to me and my podcast believe and are part of that 59%. Otherwise, you wouldn't, because it's all about possibility. It's what we believe we can do and achieve, we can absolutely positively create. At least that's the beliefs foundation that I choose to live on, because I'd much rather believe I have the ability to control my life and the outcomes and the things that I create in the world than think that I am just a victim of chaos and other people's whims. So, love to know your take. Have you heard this idiom? Have you done things of your own free will? I suspect the answer is yes. I think why 41% of the population might not want to take or believe in free will is because if we believe in free will, then we believe that we are responsible for the consequences of our actions, that we have to take responsibility along with free will, because freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. You can't have one without the other. I hate to say can't, but you know, I don't like to say can't, but I think it's true. If you're not willing to be responsible for what happens in your life and the results of your choices and thoughts and beliefs and feelings and actions, then it's easier and more comforting to let other people create those things for you. So that's our topic for today, of your own free will. Love to know, have you used this? Have you used this in your organization? Do you use it in your thinking and in your life to create what it is that you want to see in your world and in your life? Share in the comments below, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome day.